You are watching 2 Minute Tips. In this series, we are uploading small useful tips from Excel. And before we continue this video, if you are not yet subscribed our channel, please consider subscribing. In today's video, we are going to learn quick fill. Generally, to fill formula in a table, we have to write formula in the first cell, copy paste the formula to the other cells. That is, we can use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V shortcut keys, or we can use a fill option. That is, you can type the formula in the first cell and drag the formula to other cell, or you can use Ctrl+D. So what is quick fill? So quick fill is an option. You can apply the formula to selected region while you are entering the formula itself. So in this selected cell, we are having a white cell, gray cells. This white cell is called as active cell. Whatever we type, it will appear in the active cell. In this particular cell, the formula required is C2 plus D2. Instead of hitting enter key directly, I am holding the control key and now hitting the enter key. Formula is applied to all the selected region. So this will avoid a separate time for typing the formula and separate time for copy paste the formula. So we can save more time. This is quick fill option. Hope this video helps. If you like this video, hit the like button. For any suggestions, please mention it in the comment area. Share this video to your friends and colleagues as well, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.